Bundys Garage, Bundy here. Hey, I just got done doing a timing belt on a 2008 Acura TL Type S. But one thing I wanted to share with you guys, what I do before putting the lower timing cover on is, there's a flimsy gasket that goes here, and you probably saw it when you took the lower cover off. What I like to do is I'll go in there with some Gorilla Glue. You can buy this from Home Depot, Lowe's, probably any Ace Hardware will have this stuff. But I'll go ahead, I'll put in, I kind of went overkill on this. You don't have to put that much glue in. You can probably do it, you know, spot here, spot here, spot here, wherever the high points are. You wanted to come up here and here as well, but I'll put some glue in and I'll put the gasket in. Glue just holds the gasket in place, because I've done other ones where the gasket wants to come out and just makes it a hassle when you're reinstalling the lower cover. And then another thing I like to do, let's say crank seal begins to leak oil, the water pump begins to leak coolant. This gasket here goes right up against the engine block and keeps anything that's leaking, keeps it inside the cover, the lower timing belt cover. So what I'll do is I'll go in here with a drill and I'll punch a hole here and here as well, and on the back side. So I just come into the two lowest points in the cover, drill a hole here, one there. And that's what I do on most of the timing belts, lower timing belt covers, before reinstalling them. And that's only so that the owner can notice if there's coolant leaking or if there's oil leaking on their driveway or underneath their car, and spot a problem earlier than later, because any oil would have to pool up inside there before it starts coming out. So I want to catch any problems early. Don't want to cause any problems for my customers. So I'll drill holes there and there. So another thing I like to do is I like to go with a quality water pump. This one is a OE Honda by Asen. I've had other problematic water pumps from a company called Gates that failed me at 60,000 miles. They were on different vehicles, so two separate water pumps from Gates failed on me at 60,000 miles, froze up the bearing inside here and wiped out the timing belt, and the valves hit the pistons and burnt some valves, and I had to do a whole head job on it and head gasket. So always go with a quality water pump. Their belts seem to be okay. Gates belts seem to be okay still. So one thing I like to do is I'll go to O'Reilly Auto Parts, pick up a timing belt component kit minus the water pump, get all the belts and pulleys there, and then go to Honda and pick up an OE water pump for whatever vehicle you're specifically working on. But yeah, I just want to share with you guys some things that I like to do before putting everything back together on a J-Series Honda Acura V6. Glue in your lower timing belt cover gasket and then drill some holes in the bottom so you can catch problems early. I think always go with a quality water pump. Don't skimp out on this, because this fails, you could lose your engine. There you go, guys. Alexa, what's the best car repair channel on YouTube?
Bundys Garage is the best car repair video channel on YouTube.
Hope everybody had a great Thanksgiving. If you can, subscribe, and like always, I'll keep them rolling for you.